What's going on, guys? It's another great day, and in this video, I'll be going through some of the gaming coins that I found really interesting in the weekends, and I think they'll do very well when the gaming sector goes crazy again, which I have no doubt that it will erupt again very, very soon. So stay tuned. Before I head into the video, I just want to talk about the markets a little. And as you can see, the markets look extremely bullish right now. Bitcoin sitting at 66k already, which it just needs to go up another 1,000 to reach the all-time high, which I'm no doubt it will eventually hit it in the next few days. And with this, it means the whole market will be crazy bullish, especially for our small market cap altcoins. I believe the gaming sector will erupt again very, very soon. So I got you guys covered. I'll be going through all the gaming coins that I've found, which is pretty low cap. So I think you'll do many X's. Alright, okay, over here we have the Bitcoin's chart looking extremely great. And as you can see, the past 1 to 2 weeks, it has been consolidating. And right now, it has begun its breakout. So if Bitcoin breaks its previous all-time high at around 67k, I have no doubt it will burst out and hit the Fibonacci extension of the negative 0.27 extension at around 74.5k. And if there's a lot of momentum, it can easily go up all the way to 84k, which is the negative 0.618 extension levels. And that this is the area where I expect a major pullback at around this zone. So let's say if you have your layer 1s or your small cap coins, do note of this area from around the 78 to 80k regions. That is the point where I believe there will be a major retracement. So when that happens, all the alts will pretty much, retrace as well. And it will definitely bleed a lot more than Bitcoin will. So just do be careful at these levels. But other than that, in the next few weeks, it's going to be crazy. If Bitcoin actually breaks its all-time high again and goes super bullish, you know what happens to our small altcoins. They would erupt. Your 10x's, your 100x's games will definitely come. So yeah, if you want more alpha and all the coins that I'm getting into and the price entries, do follow me on Twitter at @b_chick. I will post there definitely on what I'm getting into. Since the crypto market is starting to move up again and begin its ascent, it's probably gonna hurt NFTs again. So right now, for my NFTs, I am actually just trying to get into whitelists, and I'm pretty much just flipping whatever I get into, as I believe that NFTs will bleed even more with Ethereum pumping and Bitcoin pumping. Definitely it will. I'll talk a little bit on NFTs at the end of this video, so hope you guys watch all the way to the end and know my thoughts on NFTs. Alright? Okay, let's just jump right into the games that I found. And first up, we have a game called Gamee. Okay, the ticker is the same, GAMEE, and it's a coin where it rewards gamers for their skill. And it's a mobile app, and it's a play to earn, and it's already running. And the app looks extremely good. Later I'll show you some of the preview. I've been trying out the app yesterday, so I'll show you a preview later. It's found in many exchanges already, on Uniswap, on QuickSwap. You can get it on the MEXC, on KuCoin as well. The app is called Arc8 app, and you also have their own NFTs already called Gbots, and they already can be found on OpenSea. And these NFTs are very unique in their ecosystem. You can build and join exclusive tournaments with these NFTs and also earn tokens in their metaverse. So you can compete with them, upgrade them, and earn more tokens. And just look at this stat. almost 5 million, or is this 5 billion? I'm not too sure, but I know that's a lot. Over 5 million games have already been played on their platform itself, on the Arc8 app, and over 30 million registered players. And they also have 80 plus games in the app itself. So there is some crazy stat line you have there. I'm extremely bullish on mobile game apps because it can reach definitely more people. And you can see it for yourself. There's so many people registering for this app and also playing the games. And the partnerships that they have is crazy as well. They partnered with Man City, Atari, NASA, and the good thing is the team is dogs as well. We have the co-founder, CEO, and then the co-founder as well, the CPO, and the CTO. And their advisor, bam, Yatsu, the chairman of Animoca Brands. So whatever Animoca Brands invests, high chance that project would do well because they are a great investment firm and I believe in their vision. And we have here the co-founder and COO of Sandbox as well, plus CEO of Animoca Brands himself, Robbie Young. So this project is insane and it's only at a 30 million market cap. So just showing you some of the footage of the app itself. So this is how the app looks like. We have the daily tournaments, which you can see on the top. And then when you scroll down, they will show you in terms of what are the most popular games that people are playing currently. Asteroids, Global Run, very interesting games. And there are daily tasks to be met. And with that, you can earn free tokens as well. These are not the GMEE tokens, but it allows you to play more games with this. And so you also can get 10 GAMEE tokens for each invited friend. So that's, if you invite your friends, you get some free tokens, which is awesome. And we also have classic games, the Solitaire, Marble Dash. I'm pretty sure you guys have roughly played this kind of games before. And also Blackjack and Samurai Hold'em, Texas Hold'em, Poker. So all these games can be easily played. Just click on it. When you find a player, you'll be entered into a game and then you can play against them. So if you have the GAMEE tokens, you can deposit them into this wallet of yours, into this app. And from there, you can essentially use these tokens to actually challenge other players. Yeah, essentially kind of gambling because you need to pay a few GAMEE tokens to play them. And if you win, you get rewarded based on the difficulty of the games, etc. So yeah, do your own research, try it out. You can play it for free actually with this purple token. Try to play the game first, and if you are comfortable, you can try using the real GAMEE token itself. Looking at their light paper and the roadmap, they're going to have more tournaments added and also the full launch of the Arc8 app. And moving on to the next year, they will have another token launch which is called ET, and then they'll have more staking events and upgrades to the apps itself. So looking pretty good. The only complaint that I have about this app is actually it's pretty hard to earn from these games because you don't earn a lot from each game. So that's just one complaint that I have. But other than that, this is a very well thought app and it's already working with many games and many players. And I don't see how it's not going to do well even though it's hard to earn tokens. Looking at the chart for Gamey, right now it's sitting at 43 cents. And disclaimer, I already bought into the coin. I bought it at around 42 cents. So around this price period. And just looking at the 90-day chart, the 3-month chart, it's been rising up significantly, which is fantastic, right? So it's actually in the uptrend right now. And currently it's at a pullback period after the crazy gaming hype. Right now it's sitting at 43 cents ish, And this is actually a good area to get in, not financial advice. But yes, we trace about 50% from the previous push back at 30 cents. So whenever price dips to about 50% price, I would say that's a pretty good price to get in. If it somehow actually pulls back even more, back down to the 30 cents region, I'll load up even more. Okay? So not financial advice. And also, this is only 30 million market cap. Still very small, with already a working app and so many games and so many users already. I don't see this lower than 100 million market cap. And so I'm probably going to take profits at about 100 million market cap, and then around maybe 150 million, I'll sell everything. Right? Not financial advice, but these are my thoughts on gaming. Next up, I'll be talking about Epic Prime. And what is Epic? Epic is a NFT marketplace which seeks to work with AAA gaming companies, and they want to build the world's premium digital items for games. And they have partnered with many crazy companies. Their team is doxed. You can scroll it down and you can see all of their faces, their names, their titles, and look, they have crazy advisors. They have Nintendo, Tetris, Pokemon as their advisors, and many more. Okay, just a small preview on what Epic is and how you can create your own NFT characters on their own platform. So just showing you a short preview. Yeah, you can actually edit your character and create your own character by yourself. Okay. And they're also working with many AAA video games, as I've mentioned. Universal, EA Sports, Tencent, Nickelodeon, Discovery Channel, and so many more. Okay. You can see over here. All these partnerships are crazy bullish for Epic Prime. Okay, just going on to the charts. Epic Prime on CoinGecko right now is sitting at 54 cents with a market cap of 65 million. Also pretty small market cap. Looking at the 1 month chart, it has actually gone up immensely already. And right now it's in a kind of consolidation pullback stage. And the price is currently a bit high for me to invest in this. So I'll only be looking at entries around the 45 cent to 35 cent regions. So around these points. So if I see it having some support at around this price points, I would get in. But right now, I wouldn't invest in it as I think it's pretty high up right now, and I believe a pullback will come. So yeah, just be patient. I will wait for these price points, but just not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Next up, we have Nakamoto Games. This is a pretty interesting concept because they are creating a gaming platform trying to develop multiple games which can be played on their platform itself. So these are all play to earn blockchain games. No games are live yet, but one is coming up soon, which is the Duck Hunt. They strive to create a platform for gamers and different games to be played on their platform. Anyone with a cryptocurrency wallet, MetaMask, we can have access to all these games and earn coins. This is a pretty cool concept as well because this platform allows gaming developers to launch their own games on their website or on their platform itself. Developers themselves can have the liberty to monetize their own play-to-earn games. So this creates actually many possibilities for these developers. Moving on to the roadmap, right now we are in Q4. So actually, they plan to be listed on 2 DEX exchanges. I'm not too sure, but I think they are going to be listed on KuCoin very soon, which is a major catalyst. So not financial advice, but I just heard about it. And they are also going to be coming out with their first game called Dark Hunters. They are also in the development of their second game, which will be coming on Q1 of 2022, called Aeroplane Warriors. Looking at their team looks stacked, looks huge, and they have their docs. You see, you can check their Twitter account, their LinkedIn's, all over here. They have also many partners, partnering with Polygon, SparkPoint, so many others right here, as you can see, which is a very bullish sign. Okay, I don't want to drag the video too long, so they already have their platform preview up on their Twitter account. So if you are interested, check it out. And again, moving on to the charts, right now it's sitting at 356 and it has retraced pretty nicely, and from this 1 month chart, from a high of about 650, I was actually looking at this already the past week, and I didn't want to invest at top right here, which I'm glad I didn't, because it has now begun its retrace pretty nicely from the highs, and again, it has retraced about 50% from the highs. So this area is a very good entry to get in. Personally, in the next few, maybe today or tomorrow, if the price continues to consolidate at these price periods at around $3.50 to $4 regions, I would slowly DCA in. If it dips even more, I'll definitely load up even more. Right now it's sitting at a market cap, didn't show here, but I think it's around 30 to 50 million market cap as well, or even less, I'm not too sure, but yeah, this can at least do a 3x or more. So yeah, this is my price entry. The last project I want to share is Polka War. Very low market cap still, and it's also a DeFi and NFT gaming platform. The game has not released yet, but this is just a small preview. You can see here, looks pretty interesting, and this is definitely not bought off the internet, so this is their own product, which is very good. So they talk more about how is their game platform going to be like. So you also can actually create your own character. You can participate and fight with other players. And they're going to include their own NFT marketplace where you can sell, buy, trade weapons, etc. This is their NFTs, their characters, what weapons they're going to have in the game. So what are their use cases? There are few. So in the game, you can play to earn. You can play to earn the P-War token. You can purchase and rent items in the marketplace. You can stake your tokens to earn more tokens or equipments. They are used for the fees for the marketplace. You can farm them, and also it's a governance. And it is also for governance, basically like a DAO. Looking at their roadmap, right now we're at Q4, okay? And I believe it's already listed on Huobi. I think so, not too sure, but yeah, do your own research. And their mainnet is going to come live very soon in Q4 as well. So this is extremely bullish news. Q4 is going to be the time where Polka War is going to erupt. Looking at their investors, they have Polka Bridge, DAOstarter, Darkstarter. They don't really have big names investing in them, but looking at the products they are going to create, especially their own platform with their own game coming up, that's bullish news for them. So I believe this token can do a few X's as well from this price point, which I'll be going through later. Looking at Polka War on CoinGecko, I believe Polka War will be run on the Polkadot network, but I'm not too sure. And these coins with Polka in their names is actually kind of clickbaity, because some of them actually do not run on the Polkadot network itself. It only just takes the brand name, and put it in their own name. So do your own research. I'm not too sure whether they'll be run on Polkadot, okay? So be careful of all these kinds of namings. Not all coins with Polka in their name will be run on the Polkadot network. Also, I believe that they'll be listing on KuCoin very soon. Not too sure when, but I believe it will be anytime soon. Okay, and that will be a catalyst. More people can be able to trade this token. Right now it's sitting at about 50 cents at a 9 million market cap, very small market cap. Looking at the price charts, let's move to the 1 month chart. Okay, this chart is also extremely bullish. It went up quite huge the past 2 weeks. Right now it's sitting at almost at the highs as well. So I wouldn't be looking to get into this anytime soon yet because it's still pretty high up. If the price doesn't dip to around the 35 cent, 40 cent regions, I probably wouldn't get into it. This because it's a little bit more risky place. They don't have that much investors, although they have their own game coming up. So yeah, I'll only be looking to get into it maybe at the 35 cents region. If it doesn't and it just flies up from here, well, I guess I wouldn't be getting into this coin. Okay, that's just my opinion, not financial advice. Alright, lastly, I'll be talking about the NFT markets as mentioned in the start of my video. I don't want to drag this video any longer. So, just want to give my thoughts. Yeah, as I said, NFT markets would definitely bleed if the altcoin starts to rally up again, which I think it will in the next few days and weeks. So right now, just flip projects, get into whitelists, just flip it. Most new projects would die out pretty fast because there's not much volume in the NFT markets. And just one alpha for you guys, look out for Genesis projects because I see them doing extremely well the past 2 weeks, even though NFT market is kind of in a bear market right now. This project called 8 Harmony, it stealth dropped their Genesis collection about two days ago, I think, at a price of 0.1 each. And there are only 1,000 of them. Right now, look at the floor. It's about 0.7 ETH. That's about a 7x already in just 2 days. And I believe it actually reached higher. Yep. I think it almost reached about 1 ETH to 1.4 Ethereum floor. Yep. Check it out. Do note of all these Genesis projects. And most of these Genesis projects also allows you to stake them and earn certain coins, etc. and breeding. So do watch out for these Genesis projects. And if you want to find out more about these stealth drops, right, you can use IC.tools. I shared them before on how to use it. Do check out my video. I'll link it at the top right hand of this video. So that's it for me. I tried to keep the video shorter, but I believe it's still above 10 minutes. Scheiße, you know? But yeah, hope you take away something from this video. I mainly post videos on Monday, 8:45 AM Eastern, and sometimes on Friday as well. Do follow me on Twitter as I post what I'm getting into and news on the go first before uploading on YouTube. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. It will help me so much. And if you want early calls on coins and more tips, click on the notification bell. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.